Welcome to another exciting look at the future of luxury and performance on wheels. Today we're diving into the stunning 2025 Bugatti Motorhome, a creation that blends the elegance of a supercar with the comfort of a high-end residence on the move. If you're someone who loves speed, design, innovation, and next-level luxury, this masterpiece is going to leave you absolutely speechless. The moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome, its exterior presence commands attention. Inspired by the aggressive yet smooth lines of the Chiron and Devo, the body is sleek, aerodynamic, and sculpted to perfection. Finished in Bugatti's signature dual tone with optional bespoke paint jobs, it doesn't just look premium, it radiates dominance on the road. The front grille carries the unmistakable Bugatti DNA flanked by ultra-modern LED lighting that gives it a futuristic glow. The custom wheels are forged and polished to perfection with active aero elements designed not just for show but for real aerodynamic performance. Even while standing still, this motorhome feels like it's in motion. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior of the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is a realm of opulence fused with cutting-edge tech. As you enter, you're greeted by ambient lighting that adapts to mood and time of day. The living area is dressed in Italian leather carbon fiber accents and handcrafted wood panels. Each surface is touched with precision, the kind you'd expect only in a hypercar. The lounge is both spacious and intimate, with recliners that adjust electronically and a digital fireplace that adds warmth and style. The panoramic smart windows tint automatically and can display scenic overlays or privacy mode with a single tap. The kitchen is designed not just for functionality but for gourmet living, featuring top-tier Miele appliances, smart fridge, induction cooktops, and a hidden espresso bar. Everything is voice-controlled and integrates seamlessly. With the onboard AI, the dining space converts effortlessly into a workspace or entertainment hub with a large retractable OLED screen synced to a satellite network for streaming anywhere in the world. The bedroom is a sanctuary with a king-size bed, memory foam, adaptive mattress, and surround sound integrated into the walls for a full sensory sleep experience. The ensuite bathroom rivals those of five-star hotels with rainfall showers, touchless controls, and heated marble floors. Under the hood, this machine is no slouch. It's powered by a hybrid setup that combines a W16 quad-turbo engine with electric motors delivering a staggering 1,600 horsepower. That kind of power in a motorhome is simply unheard of, giving you the ability to go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds while towing a luxury trailer. The adaptive air suspension ensures a ride so smooth you'll forget you're in a home on wheels. Four-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, while the regenerative braking system feeds energy back into the batteries, giving it surprising efficiency for its class. The Bugatti Motorhome also comes equipped with autonomous drive features, allowing it to handle highways, city traffic, and even self-parking in tight spaces. Connectivity and intelligence are at the heart of this vehicle. With 5G capability, onboard smart home integration, and a virtual assistant that learns your preferences, you're essentially living in a mobile smart mansion. The command center on the dashboard is a blend of digital craftsmanship with holographic displays, biometric access, and personalized settings for each occupant. And despite the ultra-futuristic features, every inch of the control system retains that familiar Bugatti elegance. Of course, all this innovation and luxury comes with a price. The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome starts at around $5 million with customization options that can take it well beyond that figure. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle symbol, a mobile palace, and a technological marvel all rolled into one. Thanks for watching and joining us on this ride through the extraordinary 2025 Bugatti Motorhome. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of luxury travel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep dreaming big.